Pollution of air and water. Introduction. We would have heard many a times from our grandparents, in fact, even from our parents, as to how during their childhood the sky used to be blue and the air clean. However, the world no longer is the place it actually used to be. It has found itself wrapped up by various types of pollution, one of the most common being air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is defined as the contamination of atmosphere by gaseous, liquid, or solid wastes or byproducts that can endanger human health and the environment. Causes of air pollution. Air pollution are caused because of a variety of factors. The substances that contaminate the air are called air pollutants. These substances can be added sometimes either through natural sources, that is, from smoke and dust arising from volcanic eruptions or forest fires. Sometimes these pollutants come also from certain human activities such as burning of firewood and dung cakes, power plants, and automobile exhausts. Various kinds of pollutants are carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Gaseous pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released from petroleum refineries, causing extensive amount of air pollution. Chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, are kinds of pollutants present in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. Effects of air pollution. Air pollution has adverse impact on humans as well as the environment. There have been many cases of respiratory problems. These are caused due to sulfur dioxide that is produced by the combustion of fuels like coal in power plants. Smog is made up of smoke and fog. Smoke that contains oxides of nitrogen when combined with air pollutants forms fog. It causes asthma, wheezing, and coughing. Chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, damages the ozone layer that protects us from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Case study: Taj Mahal. Let us understand how air pollution has affected one of India's most famous attraction, the Taj Mahal. There are many industries located in and around Agra, such as rubber industries, automobile, chemicals industry, and especially the Mathura oil refinery. These industries produce pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These gases then react with water vapor present in the air and form sulfuric acid or nitric acid. The acids then drop down with rain, making it acidic. Thus, acid rain is usually that type of rain that has elevated levels of hydrogen ions. These rains have been harmful for the marble and have led to its corrosion and yellowing. The phenomenon is known as marble cancer. Thus, acid rain is not only harmful for living things, but also for non-living things such as buildings or monuments. The Supreme Court of India has taken various steps to preserve Taj. The steps are: 1. Ordered industries to switch to cleaner fuels like CNG, that is compressed natural gas, and LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. Also, the automobiles should run only on unleaded petrol in Taj zone. Greenhouse effect and global warming. What is greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is defined as a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed by the atmosphere. However, now this very process has started to threaten life on Earth due to the excessive presence of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This is due to continuous release of carbon dioxide by various human activities and also because of depletion of forests that used to absorb carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Excessive amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps heat and does not allow it to escape into space. This excessive amount of heat gradually increases the temperature of the Earth, which is known as global warming. Various other gases such as methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor contribute to this effect and are known as greenhouse gases. Preventive measures. After knowing the causes and effects of air pollution, let us understand what we can do to prevent this. Generating awareness among people about air pollution. Switching over to alternative fuels instead of fossil fuels for energy. Plant more trees and nurture the ones already present. Thus, small contributions on our part can make huge difference in the state of environment. Summary. Air pollution is one of the most common pollution faced by us today. Air pollution is defined as the contamination of atmosphere by gaseous, liquid, or solid wastes or byproducts that can endanger human health and the environment. There are a variety of factors that affect air pollution: carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. Air pollution has adverse effects on humans and environment. These are respiratory problems, asthma, wheezing, reducing the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood, and harming of the ozone layer. Industries in and around Agra has produced various pollutants which, when mixed with water, has resulted in acid rain. This acid rain has eroded the marble on Taj Mahal. The phenomena where marble gets eroded is known as marble cancer. Supreme Court has taken steps to prevent further erosion of Taj Mahal. Greenhouse effect defined as a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed by the atmosphere. The excessive amount of heat trapped in the atmosphere gradually increases the temperature of the Earth, which results in the phenomena of global warming. Preventive measures needs to be taken to bring down the level of air pollution.